Okay, I'll just show you how you delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 SEAT Mii. So you click on menu. Menu will just try and find settings, system settings, onto system settings. We'll turn it down here using the right hand side button. Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth. Bluetooth visible paired devices. So actually when it's at the top you can't see what you actually want, so you have to turn it past visibility visible onto a blank one, and then one more, then you're onto paired devices. Then you select Barry's iPhone here, and you've got the bin there and back there. So the button underneath the bin is the one we want. Click delete, or if there was several you could just click that, delete everything, but I just want to delete Barry's iPhone just to show you on this occasion, and then click. Do you really want to delete Barry's iPhone 15 Pro? Yes, I do. Now I'm not using that now I'm down on these buttons, so delete. That's it, gone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.